If your 2003 Toyota RAV4 is blowing warm air, let's isolate the issue step by step before you spend hundreds at a shop. Most early 2000s RAV4 air conditioning issues boil down to simple pressure drops or a faulty magnetic clutch relay. Let's begin with the safest, easiest visual checks you can perform right in your own driveway. Pop your hood and follow these 4 basic inspection steps to pinpoint why your cabin isn't cooling down. Toyota used an updated relay design because the original factory units frequently failed to activate the compressor. If your refrigerant levels drop below a critical threshold, the safety switch cuts power to protect the compressor. Simple electrical issues are perfect for DIY, but opening the refrigerant lines requires specialized recovery equipment. As you can see, checking the $20 relay first can save you from an unnecessary compressor replacement bill. If you use a recharge kit, always measure the low side system pressure carefully with the engine running. Grab these basic diagnostics tools to track down hidden electrical issues or pressure blockages safely. Remember, more refrigerant is not better, as overcharging will cause the system to blow warm air and fail. Check that relay first, monitor your pressures, and subscribe for more practical garage troubleshooting advice.